Loveline.
We are asking you to tell us your sexual pet peeves. Daniel.
Thank you for having me on.
Yes.
My pet peeve would be if a woman tries to be dominant.
Does that include,
Honestly,
what if she gets on top? You don't like that or do you like that?
No.
Don't like that.
Definitely
Okay. There you
Missionary.
All right.
Missionary
Daniel
man.
likes his
go. So he
women.
likes passive.
Yeah, because I want animals.
Good
We've
evening.
talked about this, Dr. Drew. Sometimes
Your poor wife.
Sometimes when
You
the
like a
lights are off.
beating. You like a beating.
He's like, my wife's an animal.
What do I do with a 2-inch penis? I wisely got a 5'10" wife.
Who's an animal?
Yeah, who I think behaves like a black bear when I'm in bed. I feel like oftentimes, Dr. Drew, let me describe sexual activity in the Catherwood household.
Oh, no.
I feel like my penis is a salmon and my wife's a Kodiak bear.
Basically, he likes to throw the hot dog down the hallway.
That's
Occasionally. Is that out of line?
Kodiak, no, it's probably the Kodiak batting the salmon around.
Whoa.
there it is. It's a reenactment.
Overload.
Wow.
All right, honey. Here's a belt buckle coming up. Jason, hello.